Yesterday we were under that yesterday we were that in that railway transportation system. First, I have got the point of this roadways. Today, I have decided to tell you something, some good information and message related to your railway system. Railway system is the second important transport and lifeline of Indian people, and it is generally preferred to all. It is generally preferred to all. It is cheap rather than road transport, cheaper than road transport. It is also covered maximum part of the country in every area that and many remote areas also, some part of desert, mountainous regions, hills, scenic beauty. But while the desert, scenic beauty, and other places, that is the smaller railway system that is running today, you can treat as toy train. The children of my class maximum, they have visited northeast. In that Darjeeling, while going to Darjeeling, there is a railway of narrow gauge, meter gauge and broad gauge. This is the three classification of railway. Earlier only the narrow gauge, that narrow gauge is applicable in those places. Then meter gauge, and now it is broad gauge. This is the latest modern technology of the country. Earlier in Rajasthan, I am telling about the information of nearly 95, 96, 2000. In this way, what are the connections from Jaipur to going to different places? Only meter gauge is available. Meter gauge. And this all broad gauge convert, that is after 2000 in different part of Rajasthan also. So it is a development. So you enjoy your meter gauge, broad gauge, narrow gauge. It is all applicable in our country. And that is density 12, 14 kilometer Jammu Kashmir 25117 to Kerala, March 2011. This is the data. And headquarters of railway, Delhi is the headquarters, and then after there is a zone, Guwahati, Gorakhpur, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad. In this way, they have divided into different zones, and under that zone, it is running in our country: Northern Railway, Eastern Railway, Western Railway, South Eastern Railway, that is going to Odisha. South Eastern Railway, that is going to Odisha. So in this way it is total covered, as well as nowadays the development of this railway, the Konkan Railway. This is while we going to Mumbai to Goa, in those areas, the Konkan Railway is also possible. In this way, the total transportation, the Indian Railway network of 7133 stations, route 6446 kilometer, and a fleet of, it is a English proverb. The fleet of is using for number of, group of, more than, for that purpose, fleet of. That is 9213 locomotives, 53220 passengers, 6493 other coaches, vehicles, 2938 wagons on March 2011. What are the data that is up to March 2011? Every year, what are the changes that is brought in railway? That is always from the month of April. Or what are the financial and other development changes in our country? That is also started from April. So it is like that. It is the largest public sector and the first train. Last time I have asked the question, Mumbai to Thane, 1853, and it is 34 kilometers. Last time I have asked the questions, 99% of children, they given the correct informations of this system, area, colonial period, and all. So this is the total distribution of our country. Everywhere it's running and it's improving more and more economic prosperity of the country in day-to-day life. But while one side it is a positive points, railway, it is the reach of every sections of society, because classes are also divided on that in coaches, first AC, second AC, third AC. This is all. So according to the capacity of our pocket, one can use for general people also, general classes. And nowadays in India, there is no any general classes running today. The last class is the sleeper class, because the earlier it was first class, second class, third class, when there was no development of any AC facilities. After convert it into AC, then after first AC, second AC, third AC, and after that they removed third class, and instead of that third class, little bit modernization, and that is converted into the sleeper classes. So in this way, that is the reach of each and every section of our society, helping. But nowadays, according to the population of our country, it is not 100% meeting the needs of each and every population of each and every state. More and more development, more and more numbers are required to fulfill the demand of each and every people. And due to that, while we are going to book the ticket for railway from one place to another, always either there is waiting or very difficult to get it, and then we have to caught by the agent, the brokers, and instead of the actual fare into 3 times we pay to those brokers, agents, and fulfilling our needs, and just performing our journey in a comfortable way. So children, these all are the plus points. This is all the positive point of railway system. But the railway system have negative points also, and positive points question generally if coming in your examination then may come, but negative question is one or two time I got in question paper while checking the copy. Negative question. What are the problems nowadays the railway system of India is facing today? Present. In this way the questions are asking. So negative questions. In that, though it improving the economic status, but there is to suffer and certain problems. And last line of page number 85, last 7 lines, that is of your book important to you. And besides this, children take it as a general knowledge. While we performing our journey during that time, we facing what sorts of facilities while going and coming. So always it is overpopulation, not getting even chance to go to enter because less number of coaches are available. There is a limit. While going to book the ticket, we are not getting. While we are standing for our queue, long queue to get the ticket manual, because less number of windows are nowadays there in our country. According to population is increasing day by day, facilities increasing, but numbers, other facilities, they are not increasing according to population. Then after children, while a lot of damages to this railway system, many theft are occurring. Sometimes people they stop the train by their personal use or unwantedly. Some people they making as a fun and pull the chain, derail, and heavy damage of railway time to time, and many accidents are occurred due to this activities of anti-social people. So, with this, the railway system nowadays facing the difficulties. So, children, while you are going to write such questions, you always try to write these questions in a not paragraph wise, better to prepare the points, and if you have more points headings, then better you write one sentence completely and then after leave the line, second sentence again leave the line, the third sentence is in this way many lines are there, and while you are writing your question, that answer should be according to your marks. अगर वो 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चन है तो 5 नंबर के क्वेश्चन के लिए इंट्रोडक्शन भी होगा, कंक्लूजन भी होगा, कंट्रीब्यूशन भी होगा, और सारी चीजें लिखने के बाद इन दिस वे you complete your answer and you going to get the full marks. The children, those who are going to write such questions in paragraph, your paragraph is only either 4 to 5 lines, in beautiful lines, not more than that. And then after one paragraph, there's a line, and then after one line, you just start your next answer. And such practices you must follow in this confidence examination, practice examination. So besides this railway system, I am coming to the pipeline. Pipeline is also a lifeline of the country transportation system. In this liquid form, petroleum product and other things, fertilizer factories, thermal power stations, many refineries using and transporting the things from one place to another. It is better means because no any wastage and it is reaching the proper destination in very less time. Solid can also be transported through pipeline converted into slurry. Solids can also be transported from this pipeline, but that to convert it into a slurry. This line is important. Many refineries, take the example, बरौनी, बच्चों बिहार में है, बरौनी, बिहार, मथुरा, उत्तर प्रदेश, पानीपत, पंजाब, and many fertilizer plants they using such pipelines. Initial coast laying pipeline and subsequent running in minimal and it rules transshipment losses or delays. Due to this transportation system are in there. Four examples of this pipeline. Assam to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, Haldia Refinery, Guwahati, Siliguri. From Salaya in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab. Viramgam, Mathura, Delhi and Sonipat in Haryana. And gas Hajira in Gujarat, Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh and Vijayapur in Madhya Pradesh, and that is the longest and known as HBJ pipeline. Okay, that is HBJ Hazira Gujarat, Vijayapur, Madhya Pradesh, and Jagdishpur. It is Uttar Pradesh, the pipeline in our country. So it is a development and it's improving the economical status of the country directly, indirectly. Then your contribution is like as a waterways. Waterways, first of all, you learn and remember that line. While I am comparing with railway to roadways, railway is the cheapest. But while I am comparing the total in that, waterways is the cheapest means of transportation system in India. Waterways. Problem is only it delays, taking more time, but cheapest. So that's line you have. Indian, one of the seafaring countries, everywhere there is a connection of sea and line. Waterways are the cheapest means of transportation. Underline this line, suitable, and it is mostly using for heavy, bulky products, goods, services, and generally it is mostly using for foreign exchange to export and import the things from sea routes. It is more convenient, it supports the country because fuel efficiency, the consumption, and that is always be eco-friendly. बच्चों, that favoring sustainable development and it is always be eco-friendly mode of transportation system, the airways. Inland navigation waterways is nearly 14500 kilometer. 14500 kilometer inland and 8685 kilometer navigation, and that is mechanized vessels. Vessels means the ship that is using for transportation in waterways and declared the national waterways by government of India. The government of India is the authorized organization and that taking care of this. While the distribution in our country, the Ganga River, Allahabad and Haldia is in West Bengal. बच्चों हल्दिया का मैं जब तुमको पढ़ा रहा था इंडस्ट्री चैप्टर में तो हल्दिया का नाम लिया था. It is a subsidiary port for West Bengal. It is a smaller one used in this emergencies when there is no place in Calcutta port as well as the Visakhapatnam port, and during that time Haldia port is using in our country. That is Brahmaputra rivers, Sadia and Dhubri, West Canal, Kerala, Kottayam, Northwest number 3, Godavari, Krishna, Pondicherry, and Brahmani along the Matai River Delta channels of Mahanadi, East Coast Canal. In this way, the total distribution of these waterways in our country. There are Mandvi, Chowri, Chembarja, Sundarbans, Barak, backwaters in Kerala stretches and some other rivers. So 95% of country trade volume is nearly 68% is moved by sea. Think this is the importance of this waterways in our country and improving the economical status. So, children, road transport, railway, pipeline and waterways, ये सारे important हैं. And now our topic is for luxurious class, and that topic of luxurious class we will read next time in my next class. And with this, thank you children, goodbye, and we will meet once again. Okay?
हेलो सर.
हाँ
प्रेजेंट लगा दो.
क्या
सर 10132.
क्या नाम बोलो?
हेमांग।
कर देंगे।